Hello and welcome to RPIIT Academics. This is Milind working in Pharmacy Department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. In this video, I am going to differentiate between two biphasic liquid dosage forms that are suspension and emulsion. So first, on the basis of type of mixture, a suspension is a heterogeneous mixture where the dispersed particles are large and settle on standing. Whereas in case of emulsion, it is also a heterogeneous mixture, but here it is a mixture of immiscible liquids. It is a type of colloids and dispersed particles do not settle on standing. If I talk about the particle size, suspended in case of suspension, suspended particles are of size more than 1000 nanometers, which are visible through our naked eyes. But in case of emulsion, dispersed particles are of size can range from 1 to 1000 nanometers, which are not visible through our naked eyes. In case of suspension, solid particles are dispersed in any medium like gas or liquid. But in case of emulsion, both dispersed phase and dispersion medium are liquid. On the basis of separation, suspension can be separated by filtration, but an emulsion cannot be separated by filtration. A suspension may scatter light or it may be opaque, and whereas in case of emulsion, an emulsion shows Tyndall effect. And suspending agent is required for the stability of the suspension. On the contrary, an emulsifying agent is required for the stability of emulsion. Sand in water and flour in water can be a good example of suspension, and paracetamol suspension, which is available in market, can be is a good example of medicated suspension, whereas milk, vanishing cream, and butter are the examples of emulsion. I hope you got these points very well. I hope you enjoyed my video. Thanks for watching. Kindly to subscribe our YouTube channel, that is RPID Academics, and happy learning.